You're 100% correct. Two 17-year-olds from New Orleans came up with a new mathematical proof for the Pythagorean theorem. The Pythagorean theorem simply states that if you have a right triangle and you square the two legs and then add those two squares together, it will equal the square of the hypotenuse. Hundreds of proofs of the Pythagorean theorem already exist, but this proof relies on trigonometry, which was previously thought to be impossible. The Pythagorean theorem relies so heavily on the trigonometry part of math to exist in the first place that people thought that if you tried to use trigonometry to prove it, you would just be kind of like saying the same thing twice, which is known as circular reasoning. You wouldn't actually be independently proving it. But when Kelsea Johnson and Nakia Jackson decided to enter a math contest at school, they went ahead and took the trigonometric route of trying to create a proof for the Pythagorean theorem. And it was so compelling that they were invited to a mathematics conference to present it. They've been encouraged to submit their findings to a peer-reviewed journal where mathematicians can review their work and confirm that, one, it is in fact a valid proof of the Pythagorean theorem that is not circular reasoning, and two, that it has in fact never been done before in any of the previous hundreds of proofs that have been done for the Pythagorean theorem already. If Johnson and Jackson's work passes these two tests, it will be a groundbreaking mathematical discovery, and both girls will be published in a scientific journal before graduating high school. But even if it doesn't pass the test for some reason, I love the creativity and curiosity and initiative of these two girls to try to attempt the bonus question of a math competition in the first place, and then to go and present in front of a huge conference where no other teenagers were present. I mean, this is just an incredible beginning to the careers of these two young ladies, no matter what they do, regardless of the outcome of the peer review. So I'm very, very proud of them already, and hope you'll join me in celebrating their scientific mindsets.